Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the time my friend Gary tried to turn his Ford Transit into a camper using only duct tape, a yoga mat, and a dream. By the time he was done, it looked like a rolling recycling bin and smelled like beef jerky. So when I saw the all-new Buerstner Copa, I knew Gary had been wasting his life, and possibly violating several laws. This right here is how a camper van is supposed to be done. Before we deep dive into this upgraded German masterpiece, don't forget to subscribe to CampAvto. We bring you the weird, the wonderful, and the wildly expensive world of campers, all while arguing over who gets the top bunk. Hit that bell before someone converts your mom's minivan. Now, the new Copa starts at €55,000, about $60,000, which is pricier than the previous €44,700, $48,800, but I believe it earns every cent. Built on the Ford Tourneo platform, this beauty packs all the safety and driving tech you'd expect from Ford: adaptive cruise, lane keeping assist, probably even a button that files your taxes. Inside, Buerstner ripped out the interior and turned it into a multi-level Airbnb. There's a pop-top roof bed, hello starry nights, a downstairs bed in the dinette, and even a version with a real bathroom, shower tray, curtain, and pull-out spray nozzle. No more washing your armpits in the sink at gas stations. The kitchen block is what I liked the most: sleek two-burner stove flush with the sink, and a fridge thoughtfully placed on the opposite side depending on layout. It's basically Gordon Ramsay's tiny house fantasy. Toss-in swivel seats, a 4-person dinette, and enough storage to hide all of Gary's poor decisions, and you're living large in small quarters. And yes, the Copa C530 has 2 sliding doors. That's right, 2! Now you can walk straight through the van like it's a mobile hallway. Perfect for city life, grocery hauls, or pretending you're hosting an HGTV walkthrough. Want off-road capabilities? The Copa comes with AWD. Need style? It's got bigger alloy wheels and upgraded privacy blinds. Don't like people? Choose packages for more solitude and less socializing. At the end of the day, this isn't just a camper van. It's a slick, compact European chariot ready for adventure, or a dramatic school pickup. And hey, if you enjoyed this review or at least didn't fall asleep, consider becoming a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's cheaper than the travel mug Gary glued to his dash. The link's in the description under the video. Click it before he converts another sedan into a weekend warrior.